No, it was rubbish. G'day music lovers. It's time for another piano video. It's time for a new note, which is an F. Time for a new chord. F major. Oh. 7 minutes, remember? That's all you get. That's all you need. 7 minutes. 10 of them. And then you can play the piano. So remember last lesson, we learned where the C note is, yeah? It's to the left, the group of two. C, 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 lots of them. We learned how to play a C major chord. In the right hand, you put your thumb on the C, miss the next note, which is the D. E with your third finger, and miss the F and the G. So it's these three here, and you use your thumb, your middle finger, and your little finger. And the other two fingers, these two guys, they just kind of hang there and just sit on top. It feels a bit strange for a while, but eventually it becomes kind of second nature. So, that's right, last time we had our C chord, we could play it with our left hand. With your left hand, you've got to put your little finger on the C, your middle finger on the E, and your thumb. So the bottom note is always the root note. So we're playing a C major chord, so that's the bottom note. And then you play the C, E, and the G. So, today, we're going to learn a new chord and a new note. Now, to the left of the block of 2 was the C. To the left of the block of 3 now is the F. C, D, E, F. We'll use the F because it's a good reference point. We can always find the C on a piano because we look for the block of 2 and we hit the note. It's the same with the F. F's pretty easy to find too because you can always just visualize where the block of 3 is and hit that note. F, 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 F. So now we've got C and F. I mean, we've also got clearly D, E in between, but we're just going to worry about our C major chord. Now we're going to practice changing up to an F major chord. So, in the same way the other day, where we were just going to hold the root note with our left hand and play the chord for 4 beats, we're going to do the same thing with our F major chord, and we're just going to transition up to the F note when we play it. So, for example, if we're going to play the chords in our right hand and just hold the note with our left hand, we can hit 4 beats on the C chord and we'll go up to 4 beats on the F chord. We can practice that. So, eventually, but that's the idea. So, up to an F chord, back to a C. And that's in solid form, remember? And we can do the same with our left hand. So, we can hold this note here with our thumb, and we'll play our C major chord here. Go up this time. We can just practice transitioning between the C major chord and the F major chord. You've got plenty of them. We'll go up this time. Remember, so we're playing these chords in solid form. And the other way we can play them is what's called broken form. So instead of holding for 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and changing chords on the third beat, we can play 1, 2, 3, 4, bottom, middle, top, middle. So we can, with our C major chord, we can practice our up to our F chord. Just a matter of practicing moving between these two chords. It's landing your thumb on the F, and if you keep the same shape, it's not that hard to do after a while. And same with your left hand, you can kind of so we're going from our F major chord here, and in the right hand we're going to use the broken chord. Bottom, middle, top, middle. Always bottom, middle, top, middle. Oh, see? 7 minutes doesn't go very long, does it? Look out, it's almost over. So, what have we learned? Super quick today. We know what a C major chord is. Move that exact shape up so as your thumb in your right hand is playing the F, and your pinky in your left hand is playing the F, and now you know another chord. And that's an F major chord. Good luck with that.